Hi, this experiment is called to grow or not to grow. From your kit, you're going to need one petri dish, your measuring spoon, a piece of litmus paper, your bag of urea, and your beaker. From home, you'll need a pair of scissors, a paper clip or a stapler, pen or pencil, and some water. Using your beaker, measure 15 milliliters of water into your petri dish. Now, add 5 large level spoonfuls of urea into the petri dish. Three, 4, and 5. Take your litmus paper now and fold it in half like this. Using your paper clip or stapler, simply close the edges together. Now, with your scissors, cut the bottom off, and this way, you're creating a little floor when you open the 2 pieces of litmus paper. Place these 2 pieces into the petri dish, and then watch the results. Create a little spreadsheet for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, and 3 days. Write the results using your pen or pencil.